All right, today I have a model year 2021 R4045 John Deere sprayer. I'm going to be discussing some of the features on this sprayer and go over a product overview on it. I'm going to start off with the automatic solution command system and what these buttons do on your new sprayer. So starting off here up in the top left corner, we got our lights. You push this button, your fill light is going to come on if you're filling in the dark. Next, we got your solution pump. You push this button, it's going to engage your solution pump. Over to the right, we got target fill. With the target fill, what that's going to do is you can push this button, your target fill, and tell it how much you want it to pull on. So if you only need 600 gallons or 800 gallons, you can enter that in the screen and it'll pull on 800 or 600 gallons, whatever you're looking to get, if you don't need the full tank. One running target fill, you do have to use the sprayer solution pump to pull it on. You cannot use your nurse pump running target fill. Next, we have your agitation button. With the agitation, you can turn that on down here. It is going to go to whatever you have it set on your display up in the cab. In the middle here, we just got speed the pump up, slow the pump down. Next one is your eductor, if you want to turn your eductor on. Next one here we got is your nozzle check. When you push this button, it's just like pushing your master button on your hydro handle. If you have your section control off, it will turn on all your nozzles on your boom. Moving over, we have your rinse tank. If you push this button, you're going to be able to engage your rinse cycle. You'll have the option to either rinse just the boom, just the solution tank, or the complete solution and boom, along with transfer solution over from the rinse tank into the solution tank. Next button we got is your nozzle check. So you push this button, what you're going to be able to do, you push it, it's going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to walk to the end of the boom, and it'll start section by section. It'll turn the section on for a few seconds, you'll be able to check your nozzles, move over to your next section and check those nozzles, and it works its way left to right. And then the next two buttons we got here are going to determine how you're going to fill your sprayer. Are you going to use your solution pump on the sprayer? If so, you engage this button. If you're going to use a nurse pump to fill your sprayer, you're going to want to push this button. It's going to open up that valve so you can push solution on into the sprayer. So this is your automatic solution control system. Very nice system. It eliminates all the valves here that you would be needing to turn on a manual solution system. Moving up here, we got your Orifice valve. With this Orifice valve, what you're going to do is if you're spraying over 26 gallons per minute, you're going to want to have that valve open. If you're spraying less than 26 gallons per minute, you're going to want to have that valve closed. On some sprayers, you will have a high flow valve. Also, when you have dual flow meters, this sprayer is not equipped with that. With that high flow valve, you would run that open if you're running over 120 gallons per minute. Behind us here, we have the boom shut off. If you want to close off any solution going back to your boom, you would close that valve. Moving over here, we got some electrical negative and positive posts. These are not for jumping the sprayer. These would be if you needed to have a electric pump or something hooked up, you're able to do that here. Down here is your air drop. If you're transporting your sprayer on a trailer, you would want to get all the air out of the airbags, and you would do that right here. We'll make sure to air the bags back up when you go out to the field. Moving forward, we got your battery disconnect here. This is if you're shutting the sprayer down for a while, you want to kill it, you do it right here. You want to make sure that this light is shut off before you actually disconnect kill the power. If this light is still on when you disconnect the power, the DEF hasn't worked itself way back into the DEF tank. It's still in the lines, and you'll be susceptible of freezing up the DEF tank lines. Moving forward, we have your front fill. So this sprayer is equipped with side fill and front fill. How to operate this is you got a three-way switch here. You got an off. You switch it to the middle, it opens up the valve so you can push product on with your nurse pump. And if you go click it up to the top, it's going to engage the sprayer solution pump to suck product on. When you're done filling with the front fill, they do have this air purge. What you'll do here is open this for 9-10 seconds, and it'll push all the product in your line here into your solution tank, so you don't have a bunch of solution in this line while you're going up and down the field.